What's up guys, I am Zain and today I'm going to show you how to update your bank account on Amazon. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your Amazon Seller Central and sign in into your account. Then here on the top right corner you will find settings, tap on it, then choose account info. Now then it will jump you directly to this page right here, and here you will have to go to the payment information partition and you will find three options: deposit methods, charge methods, and charge methods for advertising. So now we will choose deposit methods. Once you click on it, it will show you this page right here, and here you have two options. You can simply replace the deposit method by clicking on this button down below on the left side, replace deposit method, or you can simply click on this blue text right here, add new deposit method. So choose whatever you want, but in this case I will choose add new deposit method. It will jump you directly to this page. Now what you should do is to simply fill in all the information of your bank. So you have to enter the bank location. Then when you scroll down, you will find here more details about your bank. You should enter the account holder's name, the BIC or the bank identification code. Then you will have to enter your IBAN and retype it again. Then after you finish all these stuff, you can simply click on set deposit method on the bottom right here. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.